Smart TV Channel 563. Brought to you by Amphenol.
All right, what do we got here, Junior? Hey, what's the matter with you? I haven't seen you look like this since Jimmy stubbed his toe back at the academy.
Captain put me on a cold case, Tommy. This one's been on ice since '46. It's just not sitting right with me.
My God, you're telling me there's a whole catalog full of micro miniature connectors out there? Not just standard size mil-spec?
Look, 38.9 is a classic, right? A time-tested platform, but I don't think there's a manufacturer out there that can produce one that's not only ruggedized, optimized performance in harsh environments, but also comes available in micro-miniature platform with a whole bunch of derivatives too.
I don't know, Junior. And I gotta be honest with you, I've never seen anything like this in my 20 years on the force.
Neither have I. This has stumped every detective east of the Mississippi.
So what do we have so far?
I put some feelers out with my informants on the east side. We're gonna try to turn some stones over. Maybe we can find something.
Excuse me, gentlemen. I got someone on the phone asking for Junior. It sounds important.
Go to Amphenol Aerospace tomorrow at 5 a.m. sharp. You'll find what you're looking for. Oh, and on your way there, watch out for mice.
Gosh, he wasn't kidding. There was mice everywhere on the way here. I don't know, Tommy. I'm not seeing anything. I think this is another dead lead.
Calm down, Junior. We're gonna find something. You take a look in those boxes. I'll check over here.
No luck yet, Junior.
Oh! Hey, Junior, we good?
Oh, we good.
I don't believe it. It's Amphenol Aerospace's entire catalog of 2M connectors. I think we hit the jackpot, Junior.
We didn't just hit the jackpot, Tommy. This is Amphenol Aerospace's 2M connector catalog. It's a micro-miniature connector series that offers the same performance and quality of Amphenol's standard-sized connectors, but in a miniature package for all those applications where space comes at a premium.
Look at this. We got 2M Micro 38999, 2M RAM lock, 2M Space Saver low-profile plugs.
Not only that, we've also got 2M hermetics, 2M EMI filters, and 2M push-pull connectors. And it looks like there's even more where that came from.
Case closed, Junior. I think the Chief's going to give us a big promotion after that one.
To learn more about 2M, visit amphenol-aerospace.com or scan the QR code for more information.